time out. Because why? Because she loved me. Because there was a sense of belongingness. You remember the first principle of team building. So she took time out, even one night before the exam. She will sit with me and she will help me understand. She will solve problems. She will tell me, okay, you practice this. And she would ensure that I give my paper well and I pass. This is called empowerment, right? So even for doing training and empowerment, you need belongingness. See, belongingness is there in every step. And then you empower people. We are going to go much deeper into all this. Right now, we are just doing in a nutshell, we are talking about team building. And once you have empowered somebody, you have delegated. So in empowerment, what comes? Helping others to also grow, sharing the knowledge with them, right? Kind of, if somebody is down, you pull that person up morally, emotionally, right? You kind of cheer that person. You provide emotional and moral support to that person. You give assurance to the team member. That is empowering, right? You have to delegate your duties also. Everything I will do in the team, so that I am recognized. That is a very short term way of, it's a very small way of thinking. Maybe you will get short term success with that. But it says na, that a dream works when a team works. Sange Shakti Kali Yuge. If you want to really achieve big goals, and if you really want that, you want to do something big in your life, in your profession, or maybe in your family, then you have to involve everybody. You have to train yourself, you have to train others, you have to empower yourself, and you have to empower others as well. And the third point is, once you have designated, once you have empowered them, once you have shared with them, then you don't stop. Okay? You also have to act. I would rather say you have to lead by example. So let's say you have told a team member, Acha, you do this work. And then you stop doing that. Sooner or later, that team member will be discouraged and will not work. So you have to keep acting. You have to keep doing. Even the smallest things are important. There's a very beautiful saying: celebrate your differences, celebrate your successes, and also celebrate your failures. Doesn't matter. Come what may, we will celebrate everything. So keep acting and keep moving ahead. And that's what will build a team. Together, everyone achieves more. There is much more, but right now I will come back. We will continue with the team building session again tomorrow. So anything that you want to add or you want to ask? So
no, I would like to add, Poulamiji, one thing.
Yes,
there's a beautiful saying: anybody who can row one boat can row any boat. And if you don't know how to row one boat, doesn't matter how many boats were given to you, you won't be able to row any boat. We want to have a team, but first we have to check whether are you in harmony with yourself. Do you really like yourself? What happens, we want to be with everybody, we want to make a big shift in the world, we want to be in harmony with every person, but we are not in harmony with ourselves. We are not in harmony with our mind, with our intellect, with our ego. Yeah. So this is the thing to be pondered upon. Of course, we have to sharpen outside, but we also need to address the basic thing is, if you are in harmony with yourself, you can be in harmony with any person, any being on this planet. The crux is, the secret is being in harmony with yourself. So we have to be strong both ways. It's like, the more larger building you have to make, you need a equally stronger, uski नींव को क्या बोलते हैं? Base. Foundation. If your foundation is good, you can put any building, it is for sure going to sustain. But if the foundation is not strong, then doesn't matter whether it's a small building or a big building, any shake comes, it will collapse. Do you agree? And this is the beauty of this program, is you will be having an amazing foundation and a very sharp outer edge. Because the more you are able to know about yourself, harmonize your mind, body, intellect, memory, self, you will be able to harmonize with any other person in this world. Yeah. So this is something we need to ponder upon. Yeah, Pallavi, please continue.
Wonderful. So I think to build something like Swamiji said, the foundation has to be strong. Okay. So now we will quickly we'll play a game. Are you all ready to play a game? Yes, yes, no, no. Okay. So what I want you to do is, I will give you exactly 2 minutes. Okay. Only 2 minutes I'm going to give you. It is 3:44 till 3:46. You have time. In 2 minutes, you have to go, get out of your seat, and in front of the screen, you have to show me 5 objects starting with R. R for, let's say, R for, what do we say? Raja. Okay. So any object starting with R. Any article. Okay. Any article. Okay. Your time starts now. Run. Run and come back. Yeah. Let's see. In 2 minutes, there is a time management session here. Run, 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 run.
Ma'am.
Yes, 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 Shiv Manjari ji. You've come?
Can I directly show you?
Yeah, you have to show me. You have to show
Okay.
me.
Can you see this is a rug over here?
Yes, rug. Very good one.
Okay. So here there is this refrigerator, if you can see.
Okay, refrigerator. Very good, Manjari. 3.
Okay. Now let me. R for.
Okay, anybody who has 5, please tell me who has 5 objects. Who has 5? Bhavna ji. Okay, Bhavna ji. You have to have 5 objects. Unmute yourself. Tell me, Bhavna ji. Show me.
Rice. Rice.
Okay. Very good. Or what else? Very good. What else?
Oh, I have this ruler.
Okay. 2. I need 5 objects. 5.
I have shown you 3. One more is this roller.
Roller. Okay. 3. Okay. Anything else?
No, Dr. 4 हो गए.
4 हो गए. Okay.
Red.
Dr. Shesha has got a red dabba. Okay.
Rope.
Robot. Okay, a robo. You've got a robo. You have to get me 5 objects. What is that?
Time.
Bhavna ji, what is that? Rug.
Ma'am,
Huh.
follow me, ma'am. Can you see this red bowl?
Oh, I can see the red bowl. Yes, Dr. Shiv Manjari, I can. I saw it. I think it got the maximum.
Yeah,
Okay.
red pen.
Okay. So now, very good. Well done. But now is the second task. Okay. I am again only, see now, the whole point is the time management. So with all the objects, you have to come in front of the screen. Okay. But in this case, again, I will give you only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. But this time, you have to come back with 10 objects. Don't go now. Don't go. Wait. With 10 articles or objects whose name is starting with P. P for Polumi. Okay. And I'm giving you a very beautiful aid in this. You can involve, if you are at home, you can involve all your family members to help you get the articles. Or you can get your office members, who, if you're in the college, okay? You can involve, and I need exactly 10 articles. And your time starts now. Let's see who comes first. Go.
Pencil, ఒకటి, paste.
Can you repeat, ma'am?
No, together you have to come back. with the team members also, okay, with your family member,
మీతో
whoever is
స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేటివి ఏమైనా స్టార్ట్